Alright, so we have one of our license plate lights are out. So I'll show you guys how to fix it real quick. Okay, so I don't have my trim removal tool. So I'm gonna grab a flathead screwdriver. We'll put masking tape over it. So you wanna put a pretty good thick layer of masking tape so it doesn't scratch up the interior. Like that. There we go. And then slowly move this over and this comes out like that. Turn it down like that. Oh, they're LEDs. Interesting. Okay. Well, these LEDs aren't working. So let's see which one is not turning on. Alright, well, both of them are turning on. It looked like one of them was off before. Alright, well, they're working. Oh, yeah. Do you see how it's intermittent? This one's having issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. Okay, so we have just regular bulbs. I'm gonna go back to regular original. It looks like the LEDs get too hot, then it caused almost like burning issues on here. Alright, let's test it out. Alright. I know it's not a pretty white light, but it's okay. We want everything to work like original. Alright, done. Go ahead and put this cover back on. Alright, license plate bulb's done. If you look closely, the one on the left. The one on the left looks like it's kind of burnt out.